Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the major pairs and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Tuesday, 20th of July 2021. Let's begin with the US oil, where in the previous videos we said that by breaking down through level 70.30, which resembles a major horizontal support level in the 4-hour time frame, the US oil will start a new downtrend in the 4-hour time frame and will target around level 67.80 as a primary target in that downtrend. The US oil reached and broke down through level 67.80, which by holding below it will support the continuity of the downtrend and the targeting of around level 64.30 and then 61.75 as primary targets in the downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by moving below level 30 inside the oversold area, it supports the probability of an upwards correctional movement, which might extend to retest around level 67.80 before continuing with the downtrend. That was it for the US oil. Let's move on to the gold. As mentioned in earlier videos, the gold is moving in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame after breaking upwards through level 1814, which resembles a horizontal resistance level in the 4-hour time frame, and we were awaiting the targeting of around level 1854. However, the gold rebounded down off of around level 1834 to correct and retest around level 1793, which it then rebounded upwards off of, and this supports the continuity of the uptrend even though it's weak. This uptrend will continue unless the gold breaks down through level 1793, and by holding above it, it will target level 1834 and then 1854 as primary targets in the current uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 40, it supports the rebounding up off of the current levels and the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the gold. Let's move on to the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. In the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a sideways movement between level 0.7095, which is the upper boundary of the sideways movement, and 0.6920, which is the lower boundary of the sideways movement. We said that by breaking upwards through level 0.7000, it supports the continuity of the sideways movement and the targeting of around level 0.7095, which is the upper boundary of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame. The pair reached around level 0.7045, where it formed a new peak and is currently trading below 0.6920, which by breaking down through it will support the continuity of the downtrend in the daily time frame and will target around level 0.68 as a primary target in the downtrend in the daily time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator, then we can see that by rebounding downwards off of around level 60 and trading near level 30, it supports the probability of rebounding upwards to correct or to continue the sideways movement, which, even if it continues, by forming a lower peak around level 0.7045, lower than the previous one around level 0.7095, it supports the breaking down through level 0.6920. That was it for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.